professionals, this is Utkarsh Rai, and today I'm going to talk about I want to be a manager. Can I succeed in a management role? I get a lot of questions like, am I cut for a manager role? Can I be a good manager? I want to shift from an individual role to a management role and I don't know how to go about it. In the past, when I wanted to move from individual role to a management role, my director told me that 40% of managers are not worth to be managers. They are there to fill the position. He asked me whether I want to be in that 40% or in the rest 60%. People have various notions about management. Some think it is the only visible career growth option available. People listen only to a manager. One can get good project provided one has a team. And some wanted to join management to flaunt among their friends that they have arrived. All those who subscribe to such notions fall in that 40% category where their career will be capped soon. It is easy to become a manager, but it is challenging to become a good and effective manager who eventually can turn into a leader. Mulling over my director's comment, I spent 1 to 2 years trying few activities to ensure that my interest lies in a management role and I can choose it as my long-term career goal. So watch my video until the end where I am going to share 5 activities which will help you to determine whether you should take management role or not. And if you have not already liked and subscribed to my channel, then please do it. Also watch my other video, Traits of a Good Manager. You should have an open discussion with your manager and share your intent of becoming a manager. You should seek help in undertaking following 5 activities to test your preparedness. First, test project management skills. You should ask your manager to assign some interns and contractors so that you can learn and test your project management skills. How to do work distribution, track activities, conduct one-on-one meetings, use project management tools, and measure quality, cost, and time and effort towards the end of the project. Lauren Belker, author of The First Time Manager, said, management isn't doing, it's seeing that it gets done. So write down all your observations when you have delegated, when you have micromanaged, when you have sought help from your manager, and have an open discussion with your manager. If the urge to do a better job in future because you started to enjoy doing project management, then you should undertake the second activity. Second, test people management skills. Now you can ask your manager to assign few juniors or new hires so that you can test your people management skills and also apply your project management learnings. How was your behavior throughout the project execution? How was team morale and motivation? How did you do career planning, goal setting, giving tough feedback? You should keep taking help from your manager and write down all observations and share with them. Lauren Belker further said, managers have to focus on people, not just on tasks. So is people management your cup of tea? Do you prefer to do things yourself rather than going behind people? You feel missing domain skills because you are not doing it yourself? If you can strongly overcome such feelings and start enjoying people management, then you are set to be in a management role. But hold on, you still have to undertake 3 activities to make sure this is not an initial euphoria. Third, test communication skills. It is true that the communication skill is important for individual role too, but it is more important for managers. Do you enjoy conducting one-on-one meeting, speaking in mini town halls, speaking in various forums? Are you overcoming your inhibitions? Are you practicing well to gain more confidence? Or you are just speaking for a few minutes and handing it over to others? You should seek feedback on your presentation and communication skills from your audience and see if you can work to improve upon and start enjoying communicating better. Fourth, education. Many people ask me whether they should do MBA before asking for a management role. All education is good. However, MBA is not a prereq for a management role. Instead, I suggest you should sign up for an executive MBA, which is 6 months to 1 year long program, so that you can learn basics of management. And you should do it in a part-time manner so that whatever is your learning in the class, you can apply in the job. If you are serious about management role, you should spend your own money in case if your manager is not going to pay for your education. And fifth, role model and mentor. If you are serious about management role, then you must be having some role model whom you are following, absorbing their words and actions and practicing it at work. You can also ask your manager to assign mentor, preferably outside your manager's team, whom you can discuss, share your thoughts and observe. Your hunger, action and improvement as a mentee will help you to determine how much serious you are about the management role. Professional, all these activities are going to take 1 to 2 years. When you are certain, then do one more thing. Close the door of going back to an individual role so that if there is any little doubt in your mind, that will also go away. So welcome to management role. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.